lecture, we are going to study the number system. So what do you mean number system? Number systems are the part of signals that will be headed by the number of distinct values. So before that, we are going to study what is signal, how we can define the signal. So signal is nothing but the physical quantity which contains some information. What is signal? It is the physical quantity. It contains some information and which is a function of one or two more variables. Two or one more variables. So physical quantity or information that will be contained by the signals, and it will be concerned to the two or more variables, or it will perform the two or more functions. So under that signals, two types of signals are there. First signal is the analog signal, analog type of signal. Second signal is the digital signal. Now analog signal means what and digital signal means what? Now analog signal is defined as it is the signal having continuous values, or they can have infinite number of different values. For example, analog signals are temperature, pressure. So each parameter will be observed or will be measured with the help of some quantity. So distance, brightness, current, pressure, sound, voltage, power. So these are the some examples of analog signals. Now what do we mean by digital signal? Digital signal is defined as signal which has only finite number of distinct values. What do you mean by digital signal? It having finite number of distinct value. They are not continuous signal. They are fixed signal or discrete signal. So under this digital signal, we are going to study the different types of number systems or number of signals. So first type of signal is binary signal. Second is octal signal. Third is decimal signal. And last one is hexadecimal signal. Now you can observe binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Means each type of number system or each type of signal having some distinct values. So by means 2. So it having distinct values 2. So base of the binary system is 2. By means 2. So base of the binary system is 2. Second one is octal system. Octal system, it consists of, the name indicates that oct means 8. So base of the octal system is 8. Next is decimal signal. The base of the decimal signal is 10. And hexadecimal signal, the base of hexadecimal signal is 16. So each and every signal that will be processed by the base of the signal. For binary 2, octal 8, decimal 10 and hexadecimal 16. The source of digital system signal. The digital signal can be obtained directly from the computer. So whenever we are going to give print signal from computer to the printer, so you can select the particular page and use the command print. At that time, all the data used by the computer in digital. So whatever the page signal, that will be transferred towards the printer. So data will be transmitted with the help of digital signal. Also you can use analog to digital converter whenever necessary. So analog data that will be converted into digital data, and that signal that will be processed under the digital signal. What are the applications of digital signal, where it will be used? So applications of digital signals are, now forget about analog signal because our subject is digital technique and we are going to study the each and everything regarding digital technique. So applications of digital signal. So where digital signal will be applicable? So under this, first point is microprocessor. Under microprocessor, all of you know we are going to do the programming with the help of C language, C++ language, and under that microprocessor is subject, and microprocessor kill software will be used for the microprocessor programming. So microprocessor, that will be the good example of digital signal. Then digital communication. Whenever we are going to communicate digitally by sending 1 and 0 signal. So that will be good example of digital communication. Third example is for coding we are going to use computers. Computer is also good example. Then television, digital signals, Android TVs are available and digital signals will be captured by the television. That is also good example. In military system, digital communication for security purpose, different applications are used under military system. So that is also good example of digital signal. So in today's lecture, what is analog signal, what is digital signal, how digital signal will be classified in different types of signals, that is binary signal, octal signal, decimal signal and hexadecimal signal, and what are the different applications of digital signals.